Hey everyone, Jordan Martinez here from State 48 Garage Doors. As a local and family business, we are excited to bring top-notch garage door service to the Phoenix Valley. Our mission is simple: to provide you with quality, safety, and outstanding communication throughout your garage door repair, service, or installation journey. At State 48 Garage Doors, we believe in going above and beyond for our customers. Your satisfaction is our top priority. So if you're in the Phoenix Valley area and are in need of garage door service, repair, or installation, then call State 48 and we'll deliver quality, safety, and great communication every time. State 48 Garage Doors, opening the true front door to your home. Remember, we're here for you. Contact us today for all your garage door needs. Let us make your garage door experience great at State 48.